When Parikar got elected, there was hope all around, not just in Goa, but all over India among professionals. In June of 2012, there was a big conference held by GCCI and FICCI, where companies such as Wipro, Tech Mahindra, CMC, and you name it all were here. They all wanted to come to Goa. There were IIT alumni. There was one who has been doing solar power projects, solar energy projects in Gujarat. He proposed a 10 megawatt plant for Goa. Goa had such goodwill that no other state in the country would have. 2 years later, when I followed up, not a single project had moved away. We have wasted 5 more years. There are companies who are willing to come to Goa. There was one Indian mobile manufacturing company who had given a proposal to Goa government to manufacture mobiles. And what happened? The Chief Minister's office misplaced the proposal. We are so pathetically bad that if anybody is willing to tell you that Parikar has changed and will do something, I am willing to bet that 5 years later nothing will happen. And I have been following Parikar since 2000. I have records to show that he does not keep a single promise, and I have nothing personal against him. He has destroyed the Goan economy. Today, 1,000 students go every year to Bangalore and Pune, and I know most of them, and they come and send their resumes to me, a lot of them. And this guy is interested in minings, in casinos, in playing politics, and IT comes last. And this is not going to change because unlike taxiwalas, the IT guys don't have political lobbying power. The second thing here is 50,000 jobs were promised by Parsekar under this joke called the Goa Investment Board, which is only interested in hotels and distilleries, okay? And probably the jobs which have been created, if at all, have been for waiters and things like that, okay? These guys are bullshitters of the highest kind. 50,000 jobs. I want to ask them how many were created, okay? And if they tell you again, you are the biggest fool if you believe. And Parikar, I invite him for a one-on-one dialogue, okay, on this. I went and saw one wireless mouse manufacturing company. All of them will be open to come to Goa if at all something is done. But on the other hand, if a company calls here, we lose even their proposal. And on the other hand, if you go and look at Andhra Pradesh, there's a video that is going viral where the Andhra or Telangana IT minister has invited Tom Cook of Apple, and the way he speaks, the sophistication with which he speaks is unbelievable. And here our ex-CM is telling you go and sell ice fruit, okay? And Parikar is not much different. Okay, if he says he has a lot of connections, but the connections are no use if you don't, nurture them, So I suggest, to Ponjekars, think about it. And here is Girish Chodankar, whom I personally endorse. I'm not saying you endorse him, but you see the situation, whether Parikar will do anything. I know Girish for a long time, and I have not met another congressman with such honesty and integrity. So even though I'm not a part of Congress, I personally endorse Girish. We need change here, and Parikar is going to be no good, and I'm going to bet anything on that, okay?